This video is going to share with you how to create a Keynote line draw animation and how to add your own audio recording to that, right? So to start, just open a blank Keynote slide deck and you can choose any color background that you would like. That part doesn't matter, that's up to you. And then you can add your drawing in a couple of different ways. One, if drawing is your jam and you love to do it, you're going to come up here and you're going to tap the little pictures and you're going to select the drawing tools. And then you can just draw your picture. So if I try to draw the Statue of Liberty, I'm not a very good artist, but there's the start of my statue. And I would continue drawing until I felt like I was complete, right? If you're like me and drawing is not really your jam, you can actually put a little helper tool in there for you. So I'm going to say done in the top left corner, and then I'm going to select the little photo option again, but this time I'm going to actually insert a photo. And so I went out and I found a picture of the Statue of Liberty. I'm putting that on my slide. I'm making it as large as I can. And then I'm going to actually use this picture to trace. So I'm going to tap that picture first, and I'm going to change the opacity by tapping the paintbrush and turning that down so that I can see my slide background, but also see the picture through it as well. And then I'm going to zoom in, and I'm just going to tap my drawing tools again, right? And now I can trace and have a little bit more confidence in what I'm drawing since I'm not very good at it in the first place. This will help me. Okay, so I'm going to add all those details in, and then I will be ready to animate. So I traced my Statue of Liberty, and then I deleted that picture behind it, and now I'm left with my outline, right? So I have my drawing now, and now I'm ready to add my audio recording. So to do that, I'm going to tap my media button again. I'm going to select record audio. And then I get my little record button down here at the bottom. I'm going to tap record and record my facts about the Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty is 151 feet and 1 inches tall. You can record for as long as you would like, and then you're going to click insert. Right, now I get this little microphone button that I can really place anywhere on my slide. So now I have my two components. I have my audio recording and I have my drawing. And now I'm ready to animate that. So the first thing I'm going to do is tap the picture of the Statue of Liberty. I am then going to tap that animate button. Line draw is a build in. So I'm going to select build in. And it's one of the coolest because it's right at the beginning. So I'm going to click line draw, and it's going to show me a sample of what that looks like. Right now it draws in pretty fast, right? It's okay. I can move this around. Oop, X. I can move my Statue of Liberty more towards the center. And then I'm going to tap on my little speaker button, and I'm going to make sure that that start audio option is selected, which it is, right? Now I have to make sure that those two things play together. So I'm going to come up to the top right corner to my build order. And right now they're going to play separately. First, my recording is going to play, then my line draw is going to happen. So I'm going to make sure that my audio recording is first, and I want it to happen immediately after the transition. So that means as soon as the slide comes up, it's going to start. And then I want my line draw to happen at the same time as my audio recording. So I'm going to tap drawing, and then I'm going to make sure that it's selected to start with build one, right? So now they're going to happen together when I click play. Of Liberty is 151 feet and 1 inches tall. Okay, my line drawing and my audio were about the same length. You can always go into your line draw animate, and you can extend the length. So I tapped my picture, I tapped line draw again, and now if I wanted it to last for 25 seconds, or maybe I want to shorten it up and it only lasts for 3 seconds. Okay, you can adjust that duration to match the length of your audio recording. Now I have my slides and they're ready to export as a movie. So I'm going to tap my export option, and I'm going to select movie. Okay, and I'm not going to change anything in this section here. And since all my animations are on one slide, I don't need to select anything here. So I'm going to export, and that's going to export my entire presentation as a movie. From there, I can save that video to my camera roll. I can share it with my friends and my teachers and my family, or I can upload it to Canvas for submitting to an assignment. Have fun creating.